Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Now today I want to talk about the whole Movado and Popcaan beef that has been going on. As you know, dancehall music, it's a hardcore type of music. Dancehall music glorifies sex, violence, love. There's lots of stuff in our culture that we sing about, struggle, poverty. That is what dancehall music is. I see a lot of people getting offended with this whole lyrical battle, saying that they don't want it to get violent, like the whole Movado and Vybz Kartel back in the early 2000s, like 2005, 2006, 7. But then they had a beef and they traded punches in terms of lyrical punches and stuff like that, and I think both of them held their own. Now in this day and age, artists rely on foreign exchange, stage shows, traveling around the world, getting visas to America, to England, to Canada, all over the place to earn a living, to get money to take care of their family, to pretty much provide for themselves. Now, dancehall music on a whole, in some culture, they find it as offensive music because of the things that they sing about. Most of them are against the LGBT community. They don't believe in it and they put it in their songs and stuff like that, the whole violence and thing like that. Now, I do understand where that is concerned and people, get offended easily, which they shouldn't because it's just music. But most artists have to be very careful what they sing about and how they go about it. So, this whole rift that has been going on, it might affect both artists. It might affect Popcaan, fans, because he has international fans just like Movado. So my problem is that the battle ended. It is done. Popcaan apologized. You'll see it here. Popcaan apologized. It was alleged that he went to Guyana for a show and he was blocked from going into the club. That might affect his income and stuff like that, so he ended the war. The reasoning behind it, I see where all of what I said a while ago, where you want to make a living, you don't want to starve or prevent yourself from getting an income by going around having these lyrical battle and feud and stuff like that. It affects your image as a dancehall artist. But on the flip side of that, I'm very disappointed. I can't believe the war has ended already. How can you end a war with 3 songs? There's no... Look at Drake and Meek Mill. Throwing jab at each other, and they're still, they're still around, they're still making money. So I don't see why people coming down hard on them, saying that, they don't want the violence and this and that. I do understand that, but we need this kind of lyrical battle in dancehall. Dancehall is a culture where we're raw, we're raunchy, and, this is what we love. This is what Jamaicans love, everybody that know dancehall and appreciate dancehall and understand the culture. This is who we are as a people. We like these kind of lyrical battle to showcase your talent, you're a lyricist and stuff like that. It's very entertaining, so we love it. So I'm very disappointed with that. I do understand probably the reason why Popcaan, came out of the war and getting killy them shaky, But yeah, you don't know. Big up Movado, big up Popcaan same way. I'm not taking any sides, but Movado did kill him. You understand? Movado, take him 3 stripe, take it away from him, the battle and stuff. But yeah, in the comment below, let me know what you think about it. Tell me who you agree with, who you think won the battle. Obviously it's Movado, but you don't know Popcaan fan them are come out well shaky. But yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching JVLOGS again, guys. Remember to subscribe and share for more. Sub. Thank you.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic.